Here's something founders don't want to accept. In period 9, high-ticket sales are not disappearing. They are concentrating. There are fewer deals, but the deals that close are getting bigger. And most founders are structured for the opposite. Well, have you noticed that fewer buyers reaching out, but the serious ones are asking deeper questions? And have you felt that chasing volume feels harder, even though individual deals feel heavier? Well, 3 reasons why you should watch this video till the end. Well, firstly, because period 9 is compressing attention, not expanding it. 2, because founders chasing volume are exhausting themselves for diminishing returns. And also because misunderstanding this shift leads to the wrong sales strategy entirely. Okay? So if you choose to watch this video to the end, here are the 3 key takeaways. You understand why deal volume is shrinking, but deal size is growing. You will see why chasing more leads quietly weakens positioning. And also you will know what founders must adapt mentally before touching strategy. So if you felt like there are fewer real buyers but higher stakes, do stay with me because this will put words to it. Okay, so let's talk about what actually is happening right now. Well, what's changing in high-ticket sales in period 9? That's the question, right? So buyers are consolidating decisions. They are making fewer bets. They are choosing fewer partners. They are putting more weight behind each yes. That doesn't mean demand is gone. It just means tolerance for noise is gone. So why deals are fewer but large now? Well, because buyers are managing the risk, not opportunity. So instead of spreading money across many options, they are concentrating it where they feel the most certainty. So they take longer, they ask tougher questions, and when they decide, they commit more deeply. Founders who expect volume misread this as scarcity. It's not scarcity actually, it's called compression. So what's the core mistake founders make? Well, founders respond to fewer deals by chasing more leads. They widen funnels, they increase activity, they push harder for numbers. But volume chasing dilutes authority. So high-ticket buyers don't want to be one of the many conversations. They want to feel selected. So what must you do as founder now? Well, you must accept that fewer deals doesn't mean weaker positioning. Why? Because concentration is a sign of discernment, not decline. And founders must design for depth, not throughput. Why? Because high-ticket buyers want to feel priority, not pressure. And founders must stop measuring success by deal count alone. Well, because period 9 rewards conviction, not coverage. And what must you stop doing also? Stop panicking when lead volume drops. Less noise often means better signal. Stop optimizing for scale before trust is anchored. Scale without trust amplifies fragility. And stop assuming growth must look like more. In period 9, growth often looks like deeper. So here's the thing. Period 8 rewarded volume, and period 9 rewards concentration. You see, high-ticket sales aren't about closing more people. They are about closing the right ones more decisively. And founders who understand this stop chasing, but start selecting. So if this video explains why fewer conversations feel heavier than before, do trust that insight. So follow my channel if you want clarity about selling in period 9, as this cycle doesn't reward founders who chase volumes. It rewards founders like you who can hold depth without flinching. See you in my next video.